explain the process. By the time you can make pictures also, no problem here. So that is the second step, that corner, the silver color circular machine. So those are the rollers, crushing. So after half drying upstairs, the leaf is shoot down. They have feeding point from the ceiling. Then we crush leaf 20 to 30 minutes. After that, tea leaf break and start oxidation, because after crushing, cell walls are damaged. Then start enzyme reaction. So start the color change, we call oxidation for that. But after rolling, it's not become like a powder, just big pieces. Then tea leaf is in that side. All of these machines can cut and separate different sizes like shaking. So bigger, medium, smaller, powder like that. Around 5-6 different sizes we do by the machine. So if we cut bigger size, taste become very less, very lighter. If we cut small powder, taste become very stronger. We do like that because depend on the countries, we know we have different taste. Someone like strong tea, some countries like lighter taste tea like that. So quality wise, that's all are good quality, but best quality depend on your taste. You can select which one you like. After separate sizes, tea leaf we lay down on the table, that side, 3 hours. After 3 hours, natural green leaf totally turn to brown, green turn to brown like chocolate. We call it fermentation. So we do natural fermentation. No chemicals, no bacteria, nothing. Only natural fermentation. For example, if we cut an apple, banana, we can see color turn to brown. Same thing is here. But if we do green tea, process totally different. Green tea first system, tea leaf steam. Best quality depends on your taste. If you like strong tea, you can go for the smaller one. Okay, so that is the second dryer machine, the silver color bigger machine you can see over there. So this machine very special because this machine don't use electricity power, no gas, only firewood. So this machine like a big oven. Any wood no problem, but especially rubber wood from rubber trees. So rubber would have different names, caoutchouc, kumibao, like that. Because rubber wood, long time burning, no any smell, and locally we can collect lot of rubber wood as well. So after drying, after drying 20 minutes, brown leaf turn to black, then black tea. So after drying, tea have a lot of stems and fibers all together. Finally, we need to separate that. So that is the final step. So firstly, green leaf turn to brown. That is the fermentation. So now brown leaf turn to black. So that is the dryer process. Then black tea. So now we can see our final step over there. Shall we go that side?
അവിടെയാണ് മെഷീൻ ബ്ലാക്ക് ടീ ആവണം.
Okay, so this is the grading machine, final step. So we have like that machine, this all are same machine. We call this machine electricity static. It's like a magnet. So this machine can separate stems and fibers according to the weight, by the weight. After separate, tea leaf become dark black. Stems fibers become brown. So stems fiber, good compost. We send back to tea plantation. Nothing waste, reuse everything. Then after 80% tea, we pack like that brown color big bags. You can bag around 50 to 60 kilos. So 80% we sell the auction, they mix and export. 20% we sell what I explained before, same procedure. So finally, if we collect 5 kilo very fresh tea leaf, end of this process we can take only 1 kilo black tea, 5 to 1, like 20%. 4 kilos go for stems, fibers and the moisture. So green tea, 7 kilo fresh leaf, 1 kilo green tea, 7 to 1. Gold and silver white tea, around 10 to 15 kilo. Tea buds, after drying under the sun, it's become only 1 kilo, 10 to 1. Gold and silver white tea. So that is the special and expensive one. So then end of the process we can do the flavored like vanilla, mango, ginger, strawberry, all grey like that. End of this process, very end, we can add dry pieces of natural fruits, flowers and the spices. We do the flavored. But gold and silver white tea, we don't do any flavor. Only black tea and green tea, we do the flavor tea. So later we can see the samples also. So normally this is the inside tea process ma'am, sir.
അതിനകത്താണ് മാഗ്നറ്റിക് ഇതുള്ളത്. അവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ കാണാനില്ലേ വലുതായിട്ട്, അതിലാണ് ബഡ് മാറ്റി ഇത് ബ്രാഞ്ചും സാധനങ്ങളും മാറ്റിയിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ടീ ലീഫ് മാത്രമായിട്ട് എടുത്ത് അത് ബ്ലാക്ക് ആക്കും. നമ്മളെന്നെ എടുക്കാറുണ്ട്. അതുകൊണ്ട് സെൽഫി
Normally green tea we can reuse 2 times. All black teas are just 1 time. Then those are the black tea collection. So OP, PECO, FPOP, FF1, BOP, BOP, FP, those are the black tea collection. I explained before by the machine.
എസ്റ്റേറ്റിന്റെ പേരാണ് മറ്റേ ലംബോക്കെല്ലി.
Now you can see the sizes. Also you can see the colors. OP, orange PECO. This is the biggest size. Tastes very light, very light. Then PECO tea little bit strong than OP. So FPOP, FF1 is the medium size and medium taste. Normally all of them we drink without milk, without sugar, because taste is light. After that we have POP, the yellow color box. Proper orange PECO. This is the English breakfast tea. So this one we can use with milk, without milk. Dry tea, that one 50% fermentation tea. So it's like in between black tea and the green tea. Then those